Good morning, students. How are you doing, all of you? So, yesterday we were doing figure it out, and hope you have understood the how to draw a wave. Now, we were doing the question number 1, that what radius should be taken in the compass to get the half circle. So, this we had done, and today we will do question number 2. From question 2 we will start. Take a central line of a different length and try to draw the wave on it. So this is now quite familiar, how to draw the wave. So we will start with let central line is 14 centimeter, or we may take it as 16 centimeter. So let's take it a bit bigger so that you understand more. 16 centimeter line we take as this. Then what we have to do is mark it AB. Then we have to find the middle point of the line AB. Now 16, half of the line. So you will divide by 2. So that would be 8. So we will put a dot at 8 centimeter. So first half circle would come till 8 centimeter, and next half circle at the bottom would come in the other 8 centimeter. Now after this, what we had to do, that we mark this at C. Now we have to divide further half of AC. So AC is 8 centimeter, so its half would be 4 centimeter. So our center or the fixed point is 4 centimeter for the first half circle. And now we will move to next half circle. Here again it is 8 centimeter, so we will get 4 centimeter at this. So we mark these points O, X, and this is the center. This is also the center. So this is the first step that you have to do. Now we will open the compass. And how much radius, what is the radius now? You will, now you know that what is radius. Radius is the distance between center and the any dot on the circle. Now how much compass would you open? We have AC and then AO. So we would open the compass till AO like this. So that is 4 centimeter. You would open the compass and draw the half circle. So this is the way you draw the half circle, upper half circle. Then taking X as the center, we would draw the next half circle from below, and this is how your wave is completed. So now you must have got familiar with the how to draw the half circles here. So this way you would get the half circle. Let us darken it a bit. Keep in mind your half circle would should coincide here. It should look like a wave. So this is your half circle. So here you would say that AB is central line. AB you have taken as 16 centimeter. Then divide AB into half parts. So you would get AC is equal to 8 centimeter. Then you would say that your OA is equal to 4 centimeter and O is the center for first half circle, and X is the center for second half circle. Radius is equal to from center to the point on the circle, any point. So you can take OA. Radius is equal to OA is equal to 4 centimeter in this case, and here the radius would be equal to XB. So radius is equal to XB is equal to 4 centimeter. This is how you will complete the wave. Now question number 3. Try to recreate the figure where the waves are smaller than a half circle as appearing in the neck of the figure of a person. The challenge here is to get both the wave to be identical. Okay, so as you see, how was the neck of the person? This was the person that we had made. This is the neck of the person. So this portion, it is asking how to create such wave. Question number 3. How to create such wave? You have been drawing the full half circle or semicircle in this wave. However, what if I have to draw it like this? How to draw it like this, where the wave become a shorter one, but they should be same at the bottom and at the above the central line. They should look same or similar or identical below and up above. So how to draw this? Now for this we will, hope you have understood this question clearly. First you have to take half of the full line, then the further half of the lines you get two parts, AC and BC. Find the half of AC and find the half of BC. So we have put the point as O and X, and then you have to draw the line and draw the curve using the radius OA. You have to draw the curve using compass, and curve means you have to draw the half circle, full half circles. Now here in the third question, it is saying that this half circle is now a shorter one, but it should be identical above and below the central line. So we will try to make it. So again we take, let central line be, let the line, you can say, let the line be 8 centimeter. So we will take 8 centimeter 8 centimeter line we will take. Now instead, then we divide or make it half, or we can take larger also, say 12 centimeter, so that it become easy for us to draw. And 12 centimeter, and then we put the dot at 6 centimeter, which is half of the 12. 12 का half करोगे तो कितना आएगा 6 centimeter. So we get O, A and B. These are the markings over the line. Now we have to draw a shorter wave, but it should look similar. So what we would do, first we would find the center of OA and center of AB. So center of OA would be half of 6 centimeter, that is 3 centimeter. And again we will put the ruler over AB and find its half, which is again 3 centimeter here. Both the halves are 3 centimeter away from O. This is 3 centimeter, okay, 3 centimeter, and this is also 3 centimeter. Now to draw a shorter wave, what we have to do is, we will take the center somewhere else. Center somewhere else means like you have to draw the wave above. So instead of P, we would take the point just below P. Let's take the point at, you can draw a line like this and take the point R here. Okay, this is point R. This is point P. So I am not taking P as the center, I am taking R as the center. And now I will open the compass equal to OR. So that means starting from O, I would go till OR and draw the arc. So like this you will get the arc. Now I will measure where R I have taken. R is almost 4 centimeter from the center of the OA. जो P center है उससे 4 centimeter away है, and just below the P. 2 points you have to draw. Keep in mind. Take R below the P, and from there you draw the arc. So here, making it darker, we get the wave, a shorter wave, okay, like this. Now for drawing the below the line, how would draw the curve? We will take the line 4 centimeter, or the point 4 centimeter away here, and it would be, let's take this point as M. So now open the compass again. You have taken PR 4 centimeter. Similarly, you would take QM equal to 4 centimeter. If you are getting confused, then you draw the line. It's okay to draw the line. You have to finally get the wave. So this distance should be equal. The distance that you have taken below the line, here the radius. Similarly, here also the distance should be equal. So now I will open the compass till MB किसके इक्वल कंपास ओपन करना है? MB के ऊपर के इक्वल. Now I will draw the wave. So this is the wave you get for lower portion below the line. So now the wave is symmetrical or identical, but it is shorter as compared to the what we were drawing initially. Okay, so this is how you have to draw. Now this is a tricky question, so put a star over the question number 3. Put a star over it, because you have to learn few steps before you are able to draw the shorter wave. So for a shorter wave, what you have to keep in mind is initial steps are same. Take the half of the line, then further half it on both the sides. 2 halves के further half करने हैं. Then you have to take a point below the center or fixed point below, and then open the compass equal to OR. ये ध्यान रखना है आपने, ये स्टेप बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. You don't have to open the compass like PR. It is not PR. How much you have to open the compass? You have to open the compass from where you have to draw the wave. So wave should start from O. So you would open the compass from O and then draw the wave. Okay, so this is the wave. Similarly, on drawing the below wave, you have to open the compass from M till B and then draw the wave. So you would get the shorter wave. Now question number next question we will see. Next question is how to draw, figure it out is finished, and now how to draw eyes with a compass. Okay, so how to draw eyes with a compass. So basically, instead of how to draw eyes, now for drawing eyes, we will take a line. It would be similar to what we have drawn over here, the shorter wave. The only thing is that you have to complete the lower portion also. So first, let us take we take 4 centimeter line, 4 centimeter line, now what is half of 4 centimeter? Half of 4 centimeter is 2. So we will take 2 centimeter, and here also we would take 2 centimeter. Half of both the lines we would mark. Let mark it O and P. Okay, so after this what you have to do is you draw a line from O. Similarly for the second eye, draw the line from P. Like this you draw. Now if you don't want to, this I am just showing you how you would get these eyes, but in the next step we would do it without drawing the lines. Just this simple one line we would make it. Now what you have to do is take a point like you had taken a 4 centimeter below it. So similarly you can take it 4 centimeter below it and 4 centimeter above. 4 centimeter below, 4 centimeter above. Similarly here 4 centimeter below and 4 centimeter above. So we get it like this. Now open the compass equal to, this is O, A, B, P, Q, R. Okay, now open the compass from this point 4 centimeter away, draw the curve. So we take this and draw the curve like this. And similarly what we would do, we would go to the upper point and open the compass till A and draw the line. So just wait. This is how you would get I. And here also open the till P till Q. You open the radius, take the center, the end of the line, take it as a center and draw the curve. Similarly for below curve, you take as a center and draw the curve. So you would get these eyes. You can rub the line or you can keep it just to have an idea that how we have drawn the eyes. So this is how you draw eyes, and then the center where you have drawn the horizontal and vertical line, you would make the eye. So this is how you would make eye. Once again we will try it some other day. So right now you just remember how we have drawn. It is just equal to same as this figure. The only thing is here we have drawn a wave above and then drawn the wave below in the next, on the next 4 centimeter. But in this case you have to draw the wave above and draw the wave below, and eyes has a difference, it has a gap. So you would take the two line segments at the gap, so at certain gap, and then draw the waves. So you would get the eyes. Now we move to next. part of the chapter, that is squares and rectangles. Now you are a bit familiar with the shapes squares and rectangles. Now we had done in the previous class what is curve. Curve is any line drawn over the surface without putting down the pen. Similarly here we will draw the curves can also be like this, like if I draw a wavy part and then close it, so this becomes a closed curve, and you close means it has some boundary to it, you cannot go beyond, this has some boundary to it. So whatever figure where you have some boundary, that figure is called as closed curve. Now closed curve, one is the one where you do not use any ruler or any compass and you get the closed curve just like that. Similarly, circle is also a closed curve. We draw circle with a compass and it is also a closed curve. Closed means it has some boundary. So similarly, the squares and rectangles are the closed curve made with the line segment. So how do you make the line segments? Like if I take a 5 centimeter line segment vertically and then join 7 centimeter line segment, 5 centimeter line segment again horizontally. This is vertical, horizontal, and then again I draw 5 centimeter line and 5 centimeter line over here. Now you will say that you are putting the pen down, but we can make with a free hand also a curve like this. So this is also a closed curve. So closed, this is also a closed curve. What is this? This is square. Square, what are the properties of square? We will see. At this moment you remember that square and rectangle, square is a closed curve. Square is a closed curve. Okay, you can have corners of the square, you can name them AB, CD or DC, BA. Now there is one exercise that defines how to name the closed curve. Now in this case I have put the names A, B, C, D at the corners of the square. So square, you would say that A, B, C and D are corners of square. Now how this square is different from previous two squares? You can say that this is a square which is a closed curve made of line segments. Okay, made of line segments. Here we are not making any curve just like by hand. We are defining it with a line. We are defining the boundary with a line segment. AD is the line segment. AB is the line segment. So what are the line segments in the square? It is AB, BC, CD and DA. These are the line segments. AB, start from A and go till B. Then BC, start from B and go till C. Then CD, start from C and go till D. And DA, start from D and go till A. So ABCD is the closed curve and the line segments which are closed to form a square. Okay, now the naming of square. How do you name a square? So either you go anti-clockwise or you go clockwise. You can have the name. So anti-clockwise, if I go, how would I go anti-clockwise? A, B, C and D, like this. So naming would be A, B, C, D. If I, this is anti-clockwise. Then what is clockwise? You can write D, C, B, A. If you go clockwise, so it would be like this. So D, C, B, A. This is clockwise. You can also start from some other letter like B, C, D, A. So B, C, D, A would also be a name of this square. Then you can also write C, D, A, B. So C, D, A, B would also be a name of this. Then DABC. So DABC is also a name of this square. Like this you can write the name of the square. But you cannot write ACBD. Okay. Where is A? A is here and C is just opposite to it. Not at the side of the A, it is opposite to C. So this naming you cannot do. Either you go clockwise or you go anti-clockwise, then you would get the name of the, you can start from any letter, either go anti-clockwise or go clockwise, then you would get the name. Similarly, you cannot have the name, so this is wrong. Okay, so this is wrong. So in this way you can name the squares. Then we come to the properties of square. Properties of squares, you will have that there are 4 corners in square. In properties you would say, okay, so properties we would do in the next class. So we wrap up the class over here only. Properties, just go through it. It has 4 corners. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Sorry, all sides are equal. All sides are equal. So properties of square have all sides are equal. Then corners are right angle. So now you know what is right angle. It is 90 degree. So corners are right angle or 90 degree. So these are the few properties of the square. Then in the next class we will study rectangles and their properties, and then we will start with the construction of these squares and rectangles. So it would be a very informative and good class tomorrow. So do join tomorrow and complete the topic. So have a nice day. Take care, students. Bye.